Hi, welcome to EZP. This is part 3 of our tutorial, troubleshooting 101 if you get an error for the AF mode. Alright, go for it. What he's doing is he's putting his hands closer, because a lot of the times what people do is they come close to the camera and you get this error right there. It says unable to release shutter. This may be because the AF wasn't able to lock. Well, of course it wasn't able to lock because you put your face in the front of the camera.
The way to fix that is I would hit escape again, and then I'm gonna go find somebody, a test subject, get him in front of the photo booth to where you want your guest to be at, and I'm gonna hit preview F9 for instance. Do you want to go?
No, not me. Let's assume that there's somebody there now.
Alright, well, my test subject right now is those colored palettes. So I know that the camera can focus to it because it's not that close, it's not that far, it's just perfect. So since another thing also is, if you look at your camera, there's a AF mode and MF mode. The way I normally do it is I put it in AF mode for autofocus, and then I'm going to send somebody in front. I'm going to hit preview F9 to set the focus properly. So I'm going to let the camera, the automated way, to focus by itself. I'm going to hit it once, it's going to focus. Once it's find the focal point, I'm going to turn it off. Right here, I'm going to turn it off. That way the camera is locked into that focus mode.
So this way, no matter what your guests do, it'll always be that way, and it will not give you a release error for the shutter. So
I'm putting my hand just to show that it's too close and it still fires. That is because, again, the autofocus is off, so it's not trying to focus, it's not trying to find an object, and that should fix your AF mode error.
And that concludes part 3 of our tutorials.